Hello students and welcome to the online teaching session. Children, in the previous video, we were doing exercises from the lesson number 1, An Uncomfortable Bed, written by Guy D. Maupassant. Now today, we will do some other question and answers. So let's start question number 5. Question number 5 is, why did the speaker close the shutters and draw the curtains? What happened as a result of this? What else did he do in para 14 that helped to bring about the outcome? Now see the answer. The speaker closed the shutters and drew the curtains in order to have nothing to fear from outside. As a result, he thought that he was a little bit safe from outside danger. He made his bed in the middle of the room, on the floor, facing the door. As a result, the valet fell on the speaker with all the breakfast which he had in his hand. Okay, so this is your answer number 5. Now see question number 6. Question number 6 is multiple choice questions. Here A, B, C, 3 options are given and we will see the best option for the answer. Question number 6 is, the armchair was solid. Why was this discovery important to the speaker? Now see the answer. It meant that his friends had not laid a trap for him in the chair. Now see, there are 3 options. Option number 1 was, it meant that he could protect himself with a chair if necessary. No, this is not correct. Answer number B was, it meant that he could sleep in the chair. No, this was also wrong. And C is the correct answer. That is, it meant that his friends had not laid a trap for him in the chair. Now see question number 7. I did not dare to get into the bed. Why didn't the speaker dare to get into the bed? Why did he finally go to bed? See the answer. The speaker didn't dare to get into the bed because he suspected that there might be some trap laid for him in the bed. He finally decided to go to bed thinking that his friends would be amused at his terror and would succeed if he remained awake throughout the night. Okay. Now see question number 8. Question number 8 is, the speaker was awakened by a body falling over him. What else did he feel and hear at the same time? When and how did he realize what had really happened? See the answer. The speaker was awakened by a body falling over him. At the same time, he felt a burning liquid on his face, neck and chest, and heard a dreadful noise of the falling sideboard. He rushed into the corridor and saw that it was daylight. As he looked into the room, he realized that while bringing his tea, the valet felt on his stomach, spilling the breakfast and tea over him. Now see children, this is your answer number 8. Okay. Now 1 to 4 we have already completed and this is the answer from 5 to 8. This also you have to note down in the copy and get ready. And now we will do the exercises in the next video. Okay.